What if I told you that your memories of the past are entirely wrong? Not because you forgot, but because you distinctly remember a reality that never existed. Millions of people around the globe swear they remember the Monopoly man wearing a monocle. Millions remember the famous line, "Luke, I am your father" from Star Wars. And millions remember the children's books being spelled Berenstain Bears with an E. But none of that is true. The Monopoly man never had a monocle. Darth Vader says, "No, I am your father." And the books are spelled Berenstain with an A. When thousands of unrelated people share the exact same detailed, incorrect memory, it's called the Mandela Effect. And the psychological reason behind it is far more unsettling than a simple mistake. Human beings like to view their brain as a video recorder. We assume that when something happens, our mind saves the footage perfectly. But neuroscience proves that memory is actually a puzzle. Every time you recall a childhood event, your brain doesn't pull up a file. It reconstructs the scene from scratch. It gathers pieces of data, fills in the blanks with assumptions, and presents it to you as absolute fact. Our brains are hardwired to look for patterns. Because monocles are associated with old-fashioned wealth, your brain automatically pasted a monocle onto the Monopoly man's face to complete the image. You aren't misremembering. Your brain is literally fabricating a lie and forcing you to believe it. But this raises a terrifying question. If your brain can rewrite small details like logos and movie quotes so convincingly, what else has it changed? Are your most cherished childhood memories actually real? Or did your mind simply invent them to protect you from a reality you've completely forgotten? The next time you are certain about a memory, remember that your own mind is an unreliable narrator. Comment below which reality glitch you remember the most, and subscribe to question everything.